Hello, namaste everyone. Hope you all are doing good. So again, I welcome you all to Sharda, an initiative to help out aspirants group. So thank you for showing so much of love for the ancient history video. Like I received many mails that they are liking the videos and making use of it. So kindly continue doing that. जैसे कि मैंने आपको पीडीएफ वीडियो में बताया था कि आई हैड थॉट दैट आई विल मेक एंशियंट एंड मेडिवल का हिस्ट्री कंबाइंड एक ही वीडियो बनाऊंगा. But looking at the importance of this subject, analyzing the PYQs once again, like in last few days, I came to know the relevance of the subject more and more. So, a separate video on medieval history मैंने बनाया हुआ है यहाँ पर, where I will be the flow will be similar to the previous video, and I will be telling you important topics. And one more thing, like this subject is very very vast. मैं कितना बताऊँ उतना कम है. But my aim is like to make your preparation for prelims 2023 very easy. Like important topics के I can clearly come up with a broad topic, ये पढ़ लो, but that is not the way. I have analyzed the PYQs और मुझे जो important लगा based on my experience of writing this exam multiple times and clearing it as well, तो वही मैं आपको यहाँ पर बताऊंगा. अगर मैं if I study this subject, how will I approach the subject? This is the one which I am sharing with you all people here. So kindly go by the flow and it will be useful for you. I guarantee you that. Coming to the weightage, and one more thing, like people had mailed me about the book list for this particular subject. So मैंने book exclusive prelims 2020 75 day strategy के बाद वो वीडियो बनाया हुआ है already, exclusive book list for prelims 2023. So if you watch that video, all your doubts will be cleared. Again, same thing will be an issue here and the video will be lengthy, so I'm not doing that. So kindly go back to that video and watch it once. Your doubts will be clear. So coming back to the topic here, it's like weightage. In 2019 5 questions पूछे गए थे. 2020 में 2 questions, 21 में 4 question and 22 में 4 question again. So you should realize the importance of this subject. वो टाइम गया कि like I will not study this particular subject. Ancient and medieval history and art and culture has to be an integral part of your preparation at each stage. This is the established phenomena that ancient and medieval are more important for prelims because it is a factual subject. But यहाँ पर एक topic है which is also relevant for mains. लेकिन GS1 history portion में that is relevant. That is Bhakti and Sufi movements. You can expect a question from the mains as well. So in that I will be covering in detail mains video when I will coming up with that. The important chapters in medieval history, I have grouped it into 5 titles here, and this is all which you have to study in order to, like suppose if there are 4 questions, 3 questions आराम से you will be able to clear up, and there will be one tough question which an aspirant needs to analyze the PYQs for that. So उसके लिए the first topic which I have mentioned is Bhakti and Sufi movement, the most important and evergreen topic in medieval history. यहाँ पर आपको क्या पढ़ना है कि like prelims angle से you have to study the main features of Bhakti and Sufi. उसके main phenomena क्या है, what like distinguish क्या करते हैं उसके लिए, that you have to study here. And most important thing, you have to study about the saints here. Like example in Bhakti movements, you have to study about Ramanuja, his Vishishtadvaisa philosophy, Guru Nanak, उनका निर्गुणा भक्ति आपको पढ़ना है, चैतन्य, एकनाथ, तुकाराम के अभंगास, नामदेव, you have नामदेव का वारकरी पद्धति. This you have to like, you should have a broad understanding here. In Sufi movement, like Khwaja Chishti, like prelims में तो this topic is important. Like mains में भी पूछ सकते हैं, like elaborate on the features of Bhakti and Sufi movements as well as explain 2 of the saints of each of them. So you have to cover it in that particular aspect. Coming up to the next important topic, that is Cholas, a very important one now which is gaining importance. Like I'm telling you, do not concentrate on the economy, on the political aspect here. You have to cover about the societal aspect here, the way of life, the religion aspect here, the literature of that particular time frame. You have to concentrate on that particular phenomena here in order to score well and cover this topic in that particular aspect. Like you will be able to solve the question there, because ultimately you are covering this topic to score well, right? So why it was called a golden era? You have to study that thing. What are the new advances which took place during that particular time frame? You have to be very clear about that. Who are the important kings and their contribution, main thing. What is the contribution to the society? You have to study that particular aspect here in that. Also, you can study about the cultural aspects there in Chola's aspect. So, the next topic which I have mentioned is Akbar, Jahangir, Aurangzeb and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Right? I would have clearly mentioned Marathas, like Mughals, something like this. But I didn't do that because the motto here is to simplify your preparation for prelims 2022. So PYQs मैंने analyze किए, वहाँ पर मुझे ये 4 personalities important लगे. So I am mentioning that. So उसके आपको उनके बायोग्राफीज थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ लो, उनके एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव यूनिट्स के बारे में थोड़ा पढ़ लो. मेन थिंग इज देयर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड द बुक्स. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो स्टडी अबाउट द रिवॉल्ट्स विच टुक प्लेस ड्यूरिंग देयर लाइफ टाइम. सो अगर ये आपने ये 5-6 टॉपिक्स जो मैंने बताया अगर आपने कवर कर लिया, दैट विल बी मोर देन इनफ. एंड नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक इज विजयनगर साम्राज्य, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एंड एवरग्रीन टॉपिक. ये टॉपिक ऐसा टॉपिक है कि लाइक अगर डिस्क्रिप्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन अगर मेडिवल से आ गया एंड दे टेलिंग विच एम्पायर डज इट बिलोंग, अगर विजयनगर वन ऑफ द ऑप्शन हो तो लाइक विजयनगर इज द आंसर ऑलमोस्ट देयर. सो दैट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ दिस सब्जेक्ट. सो यू हैव टू गो आफ्टर Bhakti and Sufi movement, this is the one which is very important. So you have to study about the Sangama, Tuluva dynasties, Krishna Devaraya, very very important one. You have to study about the administrative unit, the society, the way of life, their contribution, what इनको अलग ये personalities और other cholas से वगैरह क्या, what was the distinguished factors there. That is very important here and you have to study that. And most important thing in medieval history you can expect a question is on time frame, like कौन सा kingdom किसके बाद आया, which Mughal king came after whom, who are the successors, like कौन थे उसके, who defeated whom. This like last टाइप एक क्वेश्चन था, but this year also one question will be there. So आप ये क्या कर सकते हो, watch a video on YouTube or something like that, like just watch it 4-5 times and your doubts will be clear. Like one day before, like 1 week before the prelims, it is very important. So you have to revise this time frame here. You have to study it now after 1 week, then again during your mains, like 1 week before your prelims, like which dynasties came, like who followed whom. Like suppose in Vijayanagar also, Sangama, Tuluva, this is the flow of dynasties there. But they can ask you like which was the first one. Like this is the importance of this particular title which I have mentioned. So if I promise you that if you cover these 5 topics as I have told you, if you Google on the things here, you will read the book list from the angle which I have told you, the book list which I told you in the book list video, you will be able to aram se clear this subject with flying marks. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'm very excited that next video will be modern history 1, the most like jiska weightage hai in history, that I will be coming in next 2-3 days. So keep watching and keep studying. Thank you so much.